Hi friends, you need a smart and perfect website for your business. Cryptocurrency websites are trending and we have collected great WordPress theme on WP Themes channel. And this is another well selected, tested WordPress theme, and this is RexCoin. In this video we are going to overview the RexCoin WordPress theme, and it is well available on Envato Market, that is themeforest.net, and it has been developed by the Theme Rex. So I'm adding another theme on this channel by the Theme Rex, and they are actually wonderful WordPress theme developers, and they are of course Power Edit author. This particularly Theme Rex coin, Rex coin as a multi-purpose cryptocurrency and a coin ICO WordPress theme. It is powerful, modern and bold, perfect for cryptocurrency and financial blog in general. So this theme came into existence in 2018, and regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. This theme is equipped with a special crypto plugins made for ICO and business bureau, and you can promote your crypto corporate firm or gather some money for your crypto coin. So it is a very good, wonderful theme, and you are going to make a wonderful website using this RexCoin theme. So let us overview the complete features and functionality of RexCoin WordPress theme in this video. And this RexCoin comes with multiple pre-made websites. Multiple demo websites are available. You can use these demo websites for your upcoming website project. And in this video we are going to create one demo website as well to overview the theme function and functionality. So I have a fresh installation with me, and I am assuming that you have already taken a domain name and a hosting plan for your website. If not, you may please follow the link given in the description and you can get help from us in installing the theme. Okay, so this is a multi-purpose cryptocurrency WordPress theme. So let us proceed towards installing the theme first of all, and this is a fresh installation which is running 2022 default WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress. And I got the theme pack in which I got the main theme file, child theme file and licensing documentation as well. So to install the theme we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes, and by default 2022 WordPress theme is here. We can add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose rexcoin.zip, and the theme file size I can see is 20.5 MB. so I will rather choose to upload this theme directly to the WP content themes folder. It is more convenient for me. However, you may choose to install the theme pack rexcoin.zip. This is only the installable file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. And this is convenient for me, and it is showing here 19.52 MB in size. It is good. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction will bring this RexCoin folder in which we have all the components, elements of theme, and delete this zip one to save the server space. And of course you can use this WordPress interface for uploading the theme, and both will bring same result. Since we have uploaded the theme directly, we can come back to the themes screen, and this is RexCoin as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is RexCoin version 1.2.3 by Theme Rex, and Theme Rex brings wonderful WordPress theme. As I told, RexCoin is a premium WordPress theme that has built-in support for popular page builders, slider with swipe gestures, and is SEO and Retina ready. Okay, so this is just an introduction. We can activate the theme. Okay, so upon activation we are here, and this screen is saying asking to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features and functionality. So as I said, all plugins are available. All major plugins has been included in the theme pack itself to use for a cryptocurrency website, and we can see what is here. So Theme Rex add-ons is always here, and the Theme Rex developed theme, and contact form 7 for creating contact form. Cryptocurrency price ticker widget has been given, specialized for cryptocurrency website. Again, cryptocurrency rocket tools is also here. So this is two special plugins for cryptocurrency category. Give donation is here for collecting funds. Just in case if you are using this website for this purpose, you can use give donation part. M chart for creating charts, M chart highlights library, and MailChimp for creating subscription and all. Theme Rex updater is also here, and WP live chat support is also here. So this is a good live chat support system. This theme uses WP Bakery page builder, and one extension for WP Bakery page builder has also been added. So these are 12 plugins that have been used for this website, and only one is required and rest are recommended, but I will advise you to install all the plugins in the very first instance. Just in case if you are not using any particular plugin in due course, you can deactivate and delete that particular plugin. So let us install all plugins first of all, and this is 12 plugins, and I'm going to install all 12 plugins in one go. Again, so if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. And if you have taken the hosting from WP Themes channel by following the link given in the description, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen, and it is really very good. It works very fine and comes in a very reasonable price. So all 12 plugins got installed successfully without any trouble, and we can come back to the installer screen, and this is time to activate all the installed plugin, and this also can be done in a single click. Okay, so all 12 plugins has been installed successfully and activated as well. So we can come back to the dashboard, and okay, so this is just a welcome page of give donation, and we can dismiss this setup wizard. It can be done later, just in case if we are using the donation part. Come back to the dashboard screen, and okay, so this is the screen, and we have installed the theme and plugins as well, and we got some additional tabs here. I will show you what are these tabs and what features are here with these tabs, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. Okay, so this is the basic look, core look of website that is using RexCoin theme, and of course it is without any content, and at this stage we can target to make our website like this, and for this we need to import the demo content. So let us proceed towards importing the demo content first, and I'll find the option. I can see there is an option under appearance tab that is called install demo data, and we have two options here. So we can only import the selected pages, forms and sliders, and if it is a new installation we can import the complete site. It is whole demo site content instead of your post and pages. So we can import the complete demo, and further we have options to deselect any of these items, just in case if we don't need to have at our website. Like you can deselect import give, it is donation part, just in case, but I am showing everything here because this is an illustration video only, and I am importing the complete site. However, you can avoid or skip this regenerate thumbnails. It takes time, later it can be done, just in case. So it is going to resize all images, and further for speed optimization purpose. Rest of things are very important, so we can start importing here, and this screen is going to tell you each and everything what is going on and what progress has been made, and immediate items may take a bit time, just in case because it is getting connected through the developer server, and it also depends on your internet speed and your hosting capacity. So you have to be here at this screen without disturbing the screen, without hitting the back button or refreshing the page. Meanwhile, you can check your website what you are going to get all this. So options are here. There are multiple options, like webinar option is also here. You can also target this website. So all websites, all demo website has been made very carefully and crafted very professionally, and speed is really awesome. So for cryptocurrency or any website, speed is the main key for the success. and we are okay. So all done. Congratulations, data import is complete and we can view our site. So it hardly took a minute for me and we have this complete website. It is really great and I am happy to have this site, and this installation was really smooth, and you can see all pages are here. We can check internal pages, about us page, like our mission. Okay, wonderful. So this complete website is working fine and we got this complete set of website, and we have all the home pages as well. Just in case if you want to have another home page as in demo, you can simply select another home page. All pages have been given. Let us see what number of pages we have received in this demo import. Okay, so let us check the pages first of all, how many pages we have received, and we have 28 published pages. So all pages are here, and I must tell you one thing: if you are not using any particular page, like there are many pages for blog message, styles and others, so donation field and home 1 2 3 4 is also here. So delete those pages that you are not using, because it is going to be indexed by the search engine if you are keeping those pages live, and it is going to put bad impression to your website in due course. Okay, so this is just a tip, SEO tip. And let us proceed. What are the additional tabs here, and I'll show you very quickly. Cryptocurrency plugins are here, and this is list of plugins: cryptocurrency dashboard, cryptocurrency widgets, price ticker, and fund list, cryptocurrency donation box, and all is about the cryptocurrency, and it has been given with the theme pack itself. So we are fine, and all widgets are also here, so you can set all the widgets, whatever. So main ticker has been used, and you can view main ticker in case. Okay, so I'm not sure, I'm not expert in cryptocurrency websites, in fact. So you can use these features, of course, and open exchange API feature is also here. Okay, so next is donation. As I said, you can use this website for donation, collecting funds as well, and some layouts. This is going to be very important tab in Rex theme websites. The layouts are the main part. So main header and header, pop-up videos, footer, and all the elements, all these elements has to be controlled from here. Like if you are using a header 4, you can edit the header portion here. So you have to check which header you are using, and this is our website. So if you are using any particular header, you can check which header you are using while you are customizing the website. So you have to control the header part and footer part, whatever is here, from this section, that is in the layout section, and you can add new layout section as well, and you can create layout group as well. Portfolio is another item. So CryptoMail and rest of elements of portfolio part is to be handled from this screen. Or services, again services. Okay, so this is also a very important screen. So services part is to be handled from this screen. Okay, so I'll show you next, team part. Okay, this is good. Your team members can be added from here, and again you have to delete those parts that you are not using. Testimonials is another new tab, and this is to be handled from here. The rest things are as common as in WordPress, WP Bakery page builder. Okay, so live chat integration is here, 3CX, and you can show the live chat wherever you want to show. This is the selection, and talk URL is also here, just in case, and you have to configure for your website. Chat facilities available. What is CR tools? I don't know, so let us check. And okay, cryptocurrency rocket tools. Okay, this is something for cryptocurrency, like converter, graph, table, price list. Okay, so it is good, and you might be using these fields as well. So these are the things that is available additionally after this installation at RexCoin WordPress theme. And finally I am going to show you some about RexCoin theme options. We can check what option we got, that is theme panel, you can say. So this is a very simple but very effective theme panel. So you have to control the logo part and rest of important part from this screen. Similarly, general setting is here. You can set the layout, sidebars and additional widgets from this screen. Header part, so header setting is here, and rest of things can be done through the layout. Footer, main footer and all control. Front page builder is also here. So body style again, so you can change the title and rest of part and the front page. So this is very important screen. So this is for editing the content as well, and front page content can be edited from here. So it is very important screen. Don't lose this screen, don't try to skip this screen, because it is going to be an important setting for your website. And next is the about RexCoin. We have some, okay, so let me go to the next screen and put front page builder. Blog settings is here. Typography, colors is also in our control, so we can use any color for any part of the website, and plugin setting. So these are complete control available for our website, and we can definitely create wonderful website using this RexCoin WordPress theme. And finally I am going to show you how to edit the page content. So this theme uses WP Bakery page builder. Just open the page that you want to edit and click on edit with WP Bakery page builder. And it may take a bit in opening the front page editor, front end editor, and I'm more comfortable with the back end editor. So choice is yours. You can simply click on the pencil icon for the section that you want to edit, and you will be able to edit the content. Just keep in mind you have to use same length text and same dimension of image that has been used in the demo website to maintain the design integrity of website. And you can use the backend editor as well as per your convenience to add or remove the section and to edit the content as well. So the backend editor is here, and you can completely edit the contents by clicking on the pencil icon. So I believe I have shown you each and everything about this RexCoin WordPress theme, and now you can take a wise decision. The theme is readily available on the theme forest and through the link given in the description as well. So just follow the link, start making your website, and we are here to support you just in case if you need any support regarding theme installation. And let us meet in our another video in which I am going to bring another WordPress resource for you. Thanks for watching. In this video we have created this great website, and I believe you are also liking this video and going to create this wonderful website for you. Thank you.